Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create and format hard disk partitions in Windows 10. So, for starters, go to the search bar, type in create and format hard disk partitions. This will pop up here using the control panel. Enlarge this, make it easier. Alright, so you got system reserved. This is for the drive. This is a healthy recovery partition as well. I got 465 gigabytes. What I want to do is, let's say I want to create another Windows partition or just another partition using this Windows software. And this is what I want to do. I want to shrink the volume. It's going to query the volume for available shrink space, and this could take up to 10 seconds to 4 minutes, depending on your hard drive speed, etc. Alright, so this is where we deal with the megabytes. Total size before shrink in megabyte is that much. Size of available shrink space in megabytes. Okay, that's how much we can shrink if we wanted to. Enter the amount of space to shrink. Well, from my understanding, I want to only shrink. I want to create a partition that's only 100 gigabytes. So if I'm doing this correctly and the correct outcome, it should be just like that. And that's what I want. Now, there'll be only on size, there'll only be 376 gigabytes, or I know that I know it's in megabytes, so 387 megabytes left on the Windows partition that we're on now, and then my other one will be created. So you press shrink. Now it created the partition. I know I said 100, but normally there's a little bit cut off because there's a little bit that needs for system information. Now it's unallocated. It's there, but it's unusable until you create a new simple volume or use a software installation, an operating system, or anything to install on that. Create a new simple volume. This is the size. We'll press next. Assign the following drive letter. This letter is going to be called D. That's what I'm just going to have it assigned to. It'll be next. I'm labeling this. Let's say I want to install a Windows 7 partition. So this will be Windows 7 Pro. And I just want to perform a quick format because I just need to do it quickly because Windows 7 will install, it'll do. And if I want to install Windows 7, and that's why I'm planning to do it on this hard drive as well. So that's how, or whatever you want to use for this. I'm just going to use quick format. If you want to not use quick format, it'll take a little bit longer, but it cleans everything, etc. I'm going to press next. And if this is all correct, remember any data that, even though there's no data on the allocated space, even if you were creating a new simple volume or formatting a already partition that could have had files and stuff on it, you need to back up anything on that partition unless you do not care what happens to it, because all that data will be destroyed. So you need to be very careful. It'll format it, then it'll prepare it, and actually when my Windows 10 File Explorer sometimes will pop up saying you have a new file or a new hard drive. Sometimes it'll say and things like that. So I can press on File Explorer. I can open this PC, and you can see, boom, there it is. And I can store files in this, like I can create, hey, new folder, like that. And you can see, close all out of this, go back to File Explorer again. You can see that it's still there, and our file was still there. So that's good. Now, that is essentially how to create another partition using the Windows create and format hard disk partitions on Windows 10. This goes for Windows 7, Vista, and Windows 11, etc. So I hope I helped you today on how to use the software. I got a couple other channels down below. I am Wolfman, that is my gaming channel. But yes, I would love you guys to check those out. And I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.